In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you an easy way to play it, just strumming and chords. And I'm also going to teach you with some chord fillings like in the chorus. I'm also going to show you the key change part where it goes. Alright, and I'm also going to show you the intro part, which goes like this. Alright, so let's start with just introducing myself. My name is Jaco. I'm from the Jooba School of Music here in South Africa. I give private lessons and my voice is a little bit gone now. So check the links in the description if you want to download this PDF with all the details. And let's jump right into the easy strumming version, and then we'll do the different parts. Okay. So for the chords, you can play the whole song with D, E minor, and A7. Okay. Let me just show you those chords quickly. It's D, E minor, A7, and then back to D. So you can play the whole song with those chords. The different parts will be, the intro is just D, and then the verses. And then you just repeat that. Then in the chorus, it's going to be just those two chords the whole time, okay? And I'm going to show you some tricks quickly. In the verse, you can do a trick like this. So play the second D as a D major 7. And then the E minor. So the first D, the second D, and then the E minor, and then you play this E minor major 7, and then E minor 7, and then A7. Okay, so you're basically editing this chord to be a D major 7, this one to be E minor major 7, and then this chord to be E minor 7. Okay, so that's basically what you can do. And then in the chorus, instead of just doing D and A7, you could do D major 7, D6, and then go to A7. So bum, 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 and then to A7. Hope that makes sense. Let me show you the harder ways to play this thing, okay? You need to know these shapes. E flat, it's going to be on the 4th fret with the index finger, and then you're going to do a C shape. And then a E flat major 7, and then an E flat 6. So these three chords work really nicely together. And then F minor 7. Okay. And then a B flat 7, the 6th fret. The F minor is at the 8th fret. Okay, so then you would play the first part in D like that, And then when you do the key change, you go. Oh, you could do this little trick here. The same thing that you would do with E minor, you could do F minor. So you're just taking that string's going chromatically down. And B flat. And then to the chorus. Bam. That's basically the chords. Now the strumming of this song is basically, let's do it on a D. Bass up, down, up, bass up, down. Oh, sorry. Bass up, down, up, down, up, bass up, down, up, down. And then you can improvise from there, okay? One more thing, the intro part, which I don't have written down, but this is for more advanced players because it's very fast. Okay, let me play it slowly, just without the bass. In rhythm. Ta-da! Okay. Good luck and happy jamming. Check out the website for some free lessons, a lot of PDFs and a lot of video lessons, and my channel for that. I didn't do a lot of this type of songs, but I have done like Moon River, I think, and some jazz songs as well, Laura Jones, which is kind of in this genre. Anyway, have a nice day. Bye.